you go to your file, go to option, this dialog box will appear. You look for add-ins. You click on add-ins. It will take a little time to activate these add-ins, just like an external plugin. So you click it. When you click it, you will see Analysis Toolpak here. Under this add-in, you click it. Then you click on go. When you click on go, because I've installed my own, you click on this, you check it and press OK. It will automatically install the Toolpak for data for you. So for those people that are still in school, that want to do one hypothesis or some calculation, it will be a good starting point for them instead of using SPSS or other data analysis tools to do that. So how do you know that it has been installed? You come to data. When you come to this ribbon data, you will see here, you will see data analysis tools.